it's over again. Miss Collins. Today is the 30th, and I'm looking at another apartment that's being offered to me. Okay. This one is for you, Miss Escovedo. Okay, this would be the back. This would be the kitchen, right? So they're going to gut out this whole wall. Oh, Lord. What? That's like a roach house. Okay. Oh my gosh. I appreciate you letting me do this.
No problem.
I appreciate you, sir. Thank you. Okay, so this will be the kitchen area. Okay. And this is one of the closets. This would have to have a door. This door is missing. Well, it's just like over there. Oh. No, right in here. This is a bathroom. It looks like they tried to paint the tub. No, it looks like they tried to paint the tile. Okay. Oh, Lord. Wow. Okay. Whoa. Yeah, you'd have to do a gut job. You see this?
I see it.
Wow. And they said that this resident just moved out. No. I think that the resident that was in here was living someplace else and just decided, you know what, let me let go of this apartment. Cause this but then again, you got some residents who got these kind of cobwebs in there who still live there. Oh, God. Lord have mercy. Pitbull, gotta go. Okay. Sir, you got your hands full with this one.
It's empty.
It is empty. You sure got your hands full. Hold on. This would be the master bedroom. So this is bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1. I gotta go because he's the only one working. He's senior level. Okay, this is bedroom number 1. This would be bedroom number 2. It's bedroom number 2. It's bedroom number 2. Okay, it's 2 bedroom. This is the bathroom. Once again, this is the last tour. This is Miss Collins. They're trying to show us. Okay, this is the bathroom. Okay. It looks like they tried to paint this tile. Okay. Lord. I know.
Huh?
I know you're the only one? Oh, Lord.
No, the manager is on the maintenance side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So the property manager's in the office?
Yeah, she's on her way in now.
Okay. Which one?
Miss Faith.
Okay. Do you want to see this?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So that's it. This is it. Alrighty, she doesn't have too far to come. All right.
Okay.
So, and there you have it. Once again. Yes. Okay, we're out of here.